So basically, any kind of coconut milk, right?
Yeah, any kind of coconut milk
Right.
or
Coconut, any kind of oil.
and a banana. So
And what you want to do is to really squish this up inside
Yeah.
the peel and then put it in the bowl.
and then put it in a bowl. And we already did this, and it depends on how much hair you have. You could use 2 bananas or just half a banana, and it depends on how much hair you have, how much oil you want to put in there. And then you just mix it up with a fork or some egg
beater.
beater, and then just mix it up. And now we're going to put it onto our hair. So if you
Cool.
just take a little with your fingers and rub it in,
Shoot,
then-
oh, you're gonna do it for her?
put it on the bottom. You start on the bottom, and then if you don't want to get your shirt dirty, just put a towel or do it over a sink, and then just take a little bit more and just keep rubbing it into your hair. And don't mind, you're probably going to have a lot of chunks. So, yeah. After you get it all in your hair, then you can put it up in a ponytail or a bun, or just put it in a towel and leave it in for at least a half an hour, and then rinse it out with a mild shampoo. I got a little on your shirt there.
Okay.
Now for the head massage.
Yeah, and you can just massage your head while you're doing this, which gets blood flowing up here, which helps hair growth. And if you just do this once a week, after about a month, you will see changes in your hair.
You saw it the first time, right?
Yep. And just get your hair completely full of
Do I look gorgeous?
bananas.
Okay.
I may change my mind.
And it smells wonderful.
Yeah.
Full of coconut and banana. Ooh, whoopsie. There's a little on the floor. Let's sniff. Oh, some on my toe.
Yes, it can be messy.
Have you done this by yourself? You put it in your own hair?
Yep, you can put it in your own hair and then just give yourself a head massage while doing it.
Add some love. Awesome. Now you said you put it up in a towel?
Yep, or even a bun and just looking good.
Yeah, feeling good. Bananas are flying. Come on over here, Mama.
Yep,
Your turn.
my turn.
We'll save some for you.
Oh,
Oh, does it feel wonderful?
oh, that feels wet.
it feels wet.
Oh,
You
yeah.
want to do it?
Sure.
Let's give her a double whammy.
Get all the chunks in there.
You got
Ooh.
banana chunks in your hair.
Ooh. Don't anybody
Yummy.
try to eat them.
Yummy.
Ooh, that feels good.
Yeah. Here, you can come in here. I'll do you.
We're just getting a love train here.
Ready?
Not really, but go ahead. Doesn't that just feel so nice? I'm gonna wait to react.
Ooh, that feels good.
Is that the spot right there?
This
Oh,
gives.
it
And make sure you
like an
get-
earring.
Make sure you get a lot on the bottom of your hair, because that's where your hair dries out the most.
Oh, the bottom of your hair.
Mm-hmm. Or the ends of it. In your case.
You got all kinds of stuff here yet.
Now I'm just gonna put it in a bun.
Pamela?
Can you do that without a rubber band? You're getting the extra treatment here,
Do you
dude.
want some more, Joyce?
I'll take some more.
All right.
Plop it right on.
Just spin it. There's a little more here yet.
Here. Right here, man.
Thank you.
Work her in.
Here we go. I feel like a banana.
There's one.
And even while you're washing it out, do a head massage too.
Mm-hmm.
And it may take a couple times to wash before you get all the chunks out. Make sure you
You look like a movie
Wash
star,
it out.
man. A really banana movie star. Oh my gosh, lovely.
And we're supposed to put this towel on quite soon.
Well, it doesn't really matter.
I can't get my hair in a ponytail.
If you don't want it to like drip down on your shirt, then yeah.
Oh.
Well, it probably won't drip on your shirt.
I don't think it will.
That's totally fun. All right. Okay.
So, we've got all the ingredients here. And go put on a good movie, and we will see you after the show.